What challenges do you face when implementing microservices? Microservices architecture offers many benefits like flexibility, scalability, and faster development. However, implementing microservices also comes with challenges. Let's break down the main problems developers face and explain them in simple words. Increased complexity. When you switch to microservices, your system becomes a collection of many small services instead of one big application. Managing and connecting these services can be complicated. It's like running a city with multiple buildings instead of managing one big house. You need to maintain roads, electricity, and communication between buildings. Communication between services. Microservices talk to each other over a network, usually using APIs. If communication is slow or fails, parts of your system may not work properly. Imagine you're ordering food online. If the payment service doesn't communicate with the order service, your order might fail even if the payment succeeds. Debugging and monitoring issues. Since the system is distributed across many services, tracking down problems can be harder. If an error occurs, it may be challenging to find which service caused it. It's like figuring out which light bulb is broken in a huge building with hundreds of rooms. Deployment and version control. With microservices, each service is deployed independently. Managing different versions of services and ensuring they work together smoothly requires careful planning. It's like updating a smartphone app. Each part, like the camera, messaging, and maps, might be updated separately, but they all need to work together. Security concerns. More services mean more entry points for potential attacks. You need to secure each service and the data shared between them. It's like securing each door in an apartment complex instead of just locking the main entrance. Data management. In a monolithic system, all data is stored in one database. With microservices, each service often has its own database, making it harder to manage transactions and keep data consistent. Imagine a bank with different branches. Ensuring your balance is the same across all branches takes extra work. Team coordination. When different teams work on different microservices, communication and coordination become more important to avoid mismatched features or broken connections. It's like planning a group project. If each team works in isolation, the final result may not fit together properly. In simple words, while microservices offer flexibility and scalability, they also bring complexity. Developers need to manage communication, debugging, security, and data carefully to keep the system running smoothly.